Bhagavan Kesari stars Nandamuri Balakrishna with Anil Ravipade directing the film is all for release during Dasra on October 19. The makers have announced to release the trailer on 8th of this month. Balakrishna is seen sitting on the chair with a stick in his hand, while there every cop standing behind him in this for trailer poster. As the release date is fast approaching, the makers of Good of Masses Nandamori Balakrishna Bhagavan Kesari have upped the game in promotions. Thank you for watching. Please support me.